What if the next person making money online wasn't a YouTuber, wasn't an influencer, wasn't even a content creator, just someone with an idea and this tool? Hey, I'm Dipankar Rajora, a six-figure online marketer. And let me tell you something most people won't. You don't need to go viral to go profitable. You just need a product and a process that works. MiniCourseX AI is that process. It's the only AI-powered platform that turns your ideas into income-generating mini courses, and in just minutes, not hours, not weeks, just a few clicks. Here's all it takes. Type a topic. Just enter any skill, niche, or idea. Let AI build it. Your course video, voiceover, thumbnail, sales page, and playbook are created instantly. Publish and profit, connect Stripe or PayPal, plug in your autoresponder, and start selling right away. No filming, no writing, no editing, no code. AI handles everything from creation to course publishing while you keep 100% of the profit. What makes it different? Mini courses, short, simple, binge-worthy learning products that your buyers can actually finish and rebuy. These are the products that sell again and again, faster, easier, and with less overwhelm. This market is exploding. Everyone from coaches and consultants to freelancers and creators are switching to bite-sized, high-impact knowledge products. Let me show you real stories from people just like you. Yash, AI tech expert, turned his AI knowledge into MiniCourse, made $30,000 with just a 4-hour course. Lindsay Marsh, a freelance graphic designer, created easy tips and tricks to create a brand identity mini course and made whooping $33,000 in just 1 month. Andrea Bizotto earns $4,250 per month from his mini course. They weren't influencers. They didn't build massive websites, just skills and the right tool, and took action. Inside the platform, you also get AI course creator with over 20 voice styles and 30+ language options, PDF playbook generator, course thumbnail creator, built-in sales page plus course hosting, payment integration, PayPal and Stripe, email autoresponder integration, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, real-time revenue analytics, and more powerful AI tools to keep your business running on autopilot. This isn't a DFY course library. This is your business, built by you, faster and smarter. And if you've ever told yourself, I want to sell my knowledge, I just don't know where to start, this is where. Click the button below to get instant lifetime access. And yes, you're covered by a no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee. Use it, test it, love it, or just let us know, and we'll refund you, no questions asked. You've waited long enough to start selling what you know. Let MiniCourseX AI turn that idea in your head into the income in your account. Let's build your mini course empire starting today.